In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an admin user to ConvertKit. This is an essential skill for anyone managing an email marketing platform or working with a team. Adding an admin user allows you to collaborate more efficiently and share responsibilities without giving someone your personal login information. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's get started. First, you'll need to log into your ConvertKit account. If you have your username and password handy, go ahead and enter them. For those of you who haven't logged in before, simply head to the ConvertKit website and click on the Login button at the top right corner of the page. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. On the left sidebar, you'll see different options like subscribers, forms, emails, and more. But for this task, we're going to focus on account settings. To get there, look for the account name at the bottom of the sidebar. Click on it. This brings up a drop-down menu. From this menu, you'll see an option labeled Settings. Go ahead and click on that. Now you should see a series of tabs at the top of the page. Look for and select the Team tab. This is where you manage all your users and their roles. Now, on the Team page, you'll notice you might already have some other users listed if you've added any previously. To add a new admin user, look for the button that says Invite Team Member. It's usually a bright, noticeable button, so you shouldn't have any trouble finding it. Click on that button. A new window will pop up, prompting you to enter the email address of the person you want to invite. This is where you'll enter the details for your new admin user. Make sure the email is correct, as this is how they'll receive their invitation to join your account. Now, beneath the email address field, you'll have the option to set their role. Here's the crucial part. You'll want to select Admin from the role options. Admin users have full access to your ConvertKit account, meaning they can manage subscribers, create forms and emails, and even manage other team members. If you initially select a different role in error, don't worry. You can always adjust it later. After entering the email and selecting the appropriate role, simply click the Send Invitation button. This action will generate an email to the person you invited, containing a link they can click to set up their account. Now keep in mind that the invited person will need to check their email to accept this invitation. It might take a few moments for the email to arrive, so if they don't see it immediately, remind them to check their spam or junk folders just in case. Once they receive the email and click the link, they'll be prompted to create their password and finalize their account setup. It's a straightforward process. They're then officially part of your ConvertKit team as an admin user. And just like that, you've added a new admin user to your ConvertKit account. If at any point you need to remove or change the role of an admin user, it's as simple as returning to the Team tab we visited earlier, locating the user you want to adjust, and making the necessary changes. Adding team members can really streamline your workflow, allowing for better collaboration and management of your email marketing efforts. Thanks for watching today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more.